Hi, welcome to 5 Minute Stuck YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can create a CSV file from Microsoft Excel. First of all, create contents in Microsoft Excel. Then, after saving this file, go to File here and click on Save As. Click on Save As. And here you go to select Save As type and choose CSV delimited. Just select it and click on save. Before that, you can rename this file name too. Okay, so just I rename it as nature and click on save. The selected file type does not support workbooks that contain multiple sheets. If it shows like that, click on cancel and here you go to delete all other sheets. Multiple sheets not supported for CSV, so delete. Now go to the same process, go to file and go to save as and rename your file. Just give any name. Okay, and here select save as type and choose to CSV delimited and click on save. Now you can ignore this one because some formats are not supported in CSV, like that this is showing, and click on yes and it will be saved. Now CSV file has been created. Just go to your file section, documents, and here select what is called Harris. Okay, see, this is the file that supports this CSV. That is a CSV files that can be opened in Microsoft Excel. See, extension is CSV. Okay, go to the properties and you can see that this file is CSV supported. Okay, .csv is available. So in this way, you can easily create a CSV file using Excel sheet. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.